Actually, you know what? I just recorded something else, but I'm just gonna do this the old-fashioned way. Let's just go straight up. Right, so this is the beginning bits of the mob spawner that I've begun creating, the vanilla mob spawner. That's 20, should be enough to fudge apples. It's fine, I've added site. Right, so effectively this is the idea behind a mob spawner. Mobs spawn up here, randomly wander in here, get pushed, and I don't want to die, so they'll drop all the way down there. And if I've done my math correctly, they will survive 1 health. That little weird block at the top right, that's a hopper, which you can craft with 5 iron ingots and chests to suck items in. So this is basically what most people do when they do have a mob spawner, Levyn. But since you have a mob spawner, you can do something else entirely. You can scrap this entire thing and just build a 9x9 room. Right, like centered on this. One moment I'll show it to you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you send, okay, so say that, you know what, let's just place, okay, say that this block of andesite is the mob spawner, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can actually grab mob spawners from, right, so say this block of andesite is mob spawners, you want to make another room that's 4 tall. Okay, so this is the height that you're going to want it to be. You can just build out a ceiling above it. I don't actually have enough materials for this since I wasted a metric shitload of time on... Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay, so yeah, you want to build the roof up there, you want to build the ground over here. You're going to want to move that from over there to like somewhere in the middle here. And then you're going to want water at the corner of the room. So when the mobs spawn and drop down, they'll just get pushed, and then fall on this shaft and die and drop XP. And if I did my math correctly, the mobs should survive with like 1 hit point, I think, which lets you grind them up for materials. And now I need to make my way back while being hunted by mobs, which is gonna be fun. Oh hey, jack-o'-lanterns. I could... No, I don't have any iron blocks. You can make iron golems with 4 iron blocks and a pumpkin, but I wouldn't recommend it. Shit! Okay. I'm gonna escape any evade and get back to the base. Where the hell did I put it? I think I'm in the wrong biome entirely, but I'll just keep going this way. Yeah, I'm probably going in the wrong direction entirely. Assassin's Creed! Oh, never mind, I failed to get in the water. Oh shit, where did you come from? Where the hell did I put my base? The biggest tower in the sky should be very hard to miss. Is that it? That should be it. Huh? All around me. I'm just running like hell. That's my sister I'm talking to, by the way. Up. And you can be completely blind like me and not notice they're running into a gigantic pit. That works too. Ah, that's the base. And right, remember that hopper block I was talking about that I placed on the ground? If I did it right, and I'm pretty sure I did, it should drop directly down. And I think the bottom of that block should be in here. Now, you just need to do that with like all 4 of the bottom blocks here and you should be fine. So yeah, thank you for coming to my tutorial 101. It was a pretty bad one considering that I had to do this the demo version. I only have like 40 minutes left on it. But I think it's the best I could do in such a short time. I'm pretty sure you guys didn't want to listen to a 100-minute video of me talking anyway, so... Is there someone? Yeah! Exhibit fucking A apparently. Nice! Alright, bye.